Welcome back everybody to this week's video. We are going to be using multiple tools here of various different kinds to get this to round and get this to shape from Easy Wood Tools. The first one will be the Pro Size Hollower. This one is the number 1. This Harvey T60S made very light work of spinning this big old chunk of wood, and now we've moved to the full size rougher. Back to the Pro Size Hollower, and back to the rougher again. There's the mid-size finisher. And back to the Pro Size Hollower. There's the number 1 hollower and the mid-size rougher. Number 1 hollower again. For a few last passes. There we go. Alright, now we're going to use the 3/8 beading cutter, also from Easy Wood Tools. And now we're just going to add some beads to it. And he's going to flatten the top off with the rougher. And there we go. Alright, a bit of burny now. If anyone's going to be doing any of this sort of stuff, make sure you clean off all of your work surface. Accidents can happen. There we go, that top grain there. And we're going to use Flame from the Intrinsic range of Hampshire Sheen. Just going to colour that all over now. There we go. And now we're just going to dry it off with a bit of heat. You will notice on the neck seam, you'll actually notice a slight variation in colour. I forgot to put the camera on it, but I actually added a bit of earth towards the base and some burnt orange and honey also. There we go, and now we're going to put some matte sanding sealer on just to seal in all of the colour. Alright, so this is some clear gloss lacquer. This is about the 6th coat I've put in on about now. Got a real nice shine to it. Alright, so now we're going to drill out to depth with the Forstner bit. Bit of compressed air there. So I've wrapped the vase up in a bit of blue tape now to give them cracks a bit of support. And we're going to start by doing a bit of hollowing. We're going to start with the #1 hollower. Go down to about halfway first of all. There we go. And turn the lathe off. Blow out all of them shavings with some compressed air. And check the inside there. Checking the walls there with the old finger calipers. Obviously it's the right hand, so it's got to be metric. And we're going to continue the hollowing with the big boy. Now we're going back to the Pro size #1 hollower. There we go. Bit more compressed air. Taking off the old blue tape. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding now. So this sanding on a stick is brought to you by Klingspor Abrasives, and we're just going to sand up to 400 grit here. And some sanding sealer. If anybody's interested in any Hampshire Sheen products, there will be a link down in the description. And some clear gloss lacquer. I eventually put 2 coats of this on, but only showed 1 in the video. All right, so now we're gonna get to parting it off now. It was about this point I realised I wasn't left-handed. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Click that subscribe button, click that like button, show it your friends, show it your family, and until next week's video, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.